What are you going to do to improve your work and your productivity? For me, it's learning how to use iMovie and how to use my iProducts, my Apple products effectively.
Oh, you're free to run around taking a lot of pictures.
For Christmas, I was able to get a new Apple products, some new Apple products.
I honestly don't really know but maybe something self. Maybe like the more advanced.
Hello and welcome to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy. My name is Dr. Catherine Constant, and we've been talking about planning and getting ready for this new year, and we are here. We are now in 2019, and so now it is time to set some goals and get some things going. How are we going to do things differently? Well, before I had an Android phone and a Dell laptop.
Oh, you're free to run around taking a lot of pictures.
So I need to know how to use them effectively. So I'm going to go down to the Apple store here in Boston on Boylston Street. Different products, the iPhone and the laptop. Since the courses are for free, I might as well take advantage of them. All that requires of me is the time and the energy to actually get there. And so come with me as I go on down to the Apple store and check things out. I'm here to take courses to learn how to work this Mac and make it happen so that I can have better video and better pictures for you. Soon I will be updating and working on the iMovie. Yeah. How exciting. I'm here in the Apple store, and it is pretty cool, and I'm using my my phone to do a little vlogging. I just finished my course here, and it was really a lot of fun. I had a nice conversation with Moose, and he showed me a lot of things. See what it looks like. This is the Apple store in Boylston, downtown Boston, and I think it's pretty cool. I'm enjoying myself here. Some of the new things, new computers that they have. Apple. I've joined the Apple world. I'm now part of the Apple world. Yeah. See? How exciting. if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. What have you done and what are you going to do to improve your work and your productivity? For me, it's learning how to use iMovie and how to use my iProducts, my Apple products effectively. Well, and just make a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing and how you are going to improve for 2019. Yes, when you look back, you can see the difference. I hope that that will happen for me and the creation of my videos, especially my gardening videos. I want to have crisper, more detailed, better picture, better videos just for you. Well, Lady Wisdom says that you are wonderful, you're beautiful, you're God's gift to the world. So go on out there and shine and let the world know that Jesus Christ is Lord. And see you next time on Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy. Remember to subscribe to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy on YouTube. Be blessed.